What's up, class of 82? This is Dr. David Camp. I'm looking forward to leading us in a discussion and a workshop even this Sunday night at 8 o'clock. The topic is on using dialogue to reduce political polarization and to be more persuasive. Unlike most of our settings, it's going to be an actual skill building workshop, not just a panel. And we're going to learn some skills that'll be good for politics as well as for persuading people generally. At the end of our hour and a half, I'm going to pitch y'all on a project I think that we could lead that's about alums being a force for reducing political polarization and strengthening our anti-violence norms around the country. But the core thing that we're doing is our skill building workshop, which will give you practical tools for any kind of conversation. I look forward to seeing y'all on Sunday, starting at 8 officially with the warm up at 7:30.